Let me try the autofocus.
First movie.
So, we're filming today. So, oh my god, let me do the main focus. Okay, here we go. There I go. I'm trying to work with this lens for the autofocus, and it is highly infuriating, so I quit. But yes, please get the hole puncher. Today is just a regular day at home. We're only gonna do about 4 hours of content today. Usually we do about 6, depending on how we feel, but we're gonna do 4 today, maybe less. But all in all, the girls took a quiz yesterday on multiplication tables and blew it out the water, so I'm so proud of them. And we've only been working on multiplication tables for about a week now. But I'm actually about to start pulling out my Christmas decor. I'm not doing anything today other than prepping and getting my list together for Christmas shopping and decor shopping. I know that I want to buy 2 more trees. I'm in a conundrum because I know what I want. I just don't know if I want to pay for it. The tree that I want from Hobby Lobby is like $250, but it's like 9 feet. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go and check and see. But my budget is like $200 for anything left. Yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm. Okay. Which ear is it, girl? Mm-hmm. It's this one. Okay. That's better? Mm-hmm. Okay, put the rest of it in the recycle. So I'm about to go get them started on their morning work. Probably start them off with some writing exercises and then some grammar. But yeah, my budget is $200 to finish up whatever decor I want to get, because once I start pulling stuff out, y'all will see why I'm being extremely stingy with my decor budget. Mind you, I've been in this house going on 4 years now. I've been collecting for a while and don't feel obligated to have to go buy any of this stuff. This is genuinely just me being me, okay? Like, if you're a ride or die, you know. I had a tough time with Christmas because my mom passed around Christmas. She actually passed on my cousin's birthday. And it really took me a long time to recover. And when I realized that it was taking away from the kids' Christmas, I realized that I needed to get over it. And baby, once I got over it, let me tell you, I got over it and I've been going since. So I hope that you guys like the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, because it helps me know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. And it lets me know that you guys know that I love you and you love me back. So yeah, let's get this cracking because there's a lot of crap that gotta come out my basement. So all of this stuff right here is Christmas decor. And then over there to the side, those are my dirty little secrets. Trees.
Here you go.
Floral.
This is Mommy.
Okay. Hey, babe.
Hi everyone. This is my channel.
Hello?
Wait, hold on.
Pulling out the decor, taking inventory.
It's blurry.
Back up. Go do your work. Huh? Yeah. But I'm tired already. Let me tell you. Yeah, and I'm trying. Look, I can't even deal with my own self.
Look, just sort out what you need me to bring up. I'll bring it up when I get home.
I'm almost done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm not bringing the trees up. I'm gonna wait for you to bring the trees up. Right now, I'm just doing inventory on decor. Huh?
How soon you want to do the tree?
This weekend. Yeah. I am legit so done with myself. Look, I got a pull-up sweat. I'm so done with me. I'm gonna show you why I'm done with me already. I still gotta lug up. This bin. Yeah, yes, I'm breathing heavy. And there's still ornaments back there in this tree holder that I no longer have the tree, but you know. And then I got black Santa right there. Y'all, if you could see, like, if you could really feel how done I am with my own self, I am done with me today, okay? I am not taking no trees upstairs. Maurice is gonna do that. But just the decorations alone have me completely out of breath and pissed off that I bought all this shit, okay? I am upset. Yeah, I'm legit sweating. I had to turn the fan on. I am that hot. I'm so serious. I'm so fucking mad right now with myself. Bought all this shit and forgot about it because it's been in the basement. Now I had to try to pull it upstairs. I'm tired, and I'm tired, okay? I'm out of shape and it shows. So let me show you what we got. Oh, God. You guys, what is going on here? And over here on my little bookshelf, I still got more stuff. But most of this stuff is for Serenity. I got, oh no, there's one of my ornaments in there. But this stuff goes to her tree outside of my one. Oh, no, I lied. I got an ornament. I've got some ribbon. Y'all remember that? And then I've got nothing else in there. So we're gonna put this stuff over here in this pile. And then I also had, ow, shoot, this ribbon that goes over here in this pile. And then she's got these unicorn bulbs. And she also has these little iridescent bulbs. She's got these little, I don't even know what these are, donuts. So all of this stuff goes over here. So let me actually show you why I'm done with myself. Technically everything in this, in this organizer goes to the tree right here. These bags behind it have nothing to do with this tree, okay? This tree goes up there. This is why I'm done with myself. This is just extra garland that I stick in the tree and around just to make everything look a little bit more fluffier and, you know, more grand. I put it on the fireplace. As you can see, I went back and bought some at the Christmas sale just so I can have it this year. And then over here in this bin, this has, I don't even remember what I named this whole, but it has that, and then it has these cute crowns that I put as tree toppers for Maurice's tree. And then his tree is a blue theme, like blue silver theme. I don't know, y'all. Okay. We are about to go through this stuff now. Let me get myself together. Let me get myself together. Oh, Jesus. Tighten this up. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. There we go. There we go. Okay. Here I be. So, I'm about to start pulling stuff out of everywhere and going through it. Just don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me, because I'm judging myself at this point and how much stuff I have accumulated. In this big old bin over here, that huge bin, that stuff goes to that tree that goes in this tree that goes in the family room. And I think I stuffed a couple more things in there. This is why I'm being really stingy with my budget this year. This is why I'm saying I'm only going to spend $200. And that better be whatever else needs to go on Maurice's tree, and buying the other two, because at this point, if I buy one more thing for either one of these trees, I'm gonna put my damn self out, okay? I'm gonna have to put my own self out. So the tree that I've been most excited about is my master suite tree. So that's the stuff that I'm about to go through first to see how I over obsessed over it again, because that's just what I do. I over obsess, and then when I finally like see, it's like, oh crap, I overdid it. So one thing I do see that don't belong are our stockings, which Serenity actually wanted to do different stockings, and I told her that we would this year. So I hope you guys are ready for the long haul on this video. Okay, so far I'm still going through the stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby, which I will do close-ups of. What is this stuff? Okay, this goes to Maurice's tree. This is his ribbon for his tree. Y'all, I think I might end up having to do a different video for each tree, because I'm starting to think that this is going to be a super long video if I do all 6 trees in this one video. So today we're just gonna go through this stuff in this video, and then I'm gonna do each tree in a separate video. But understand, I'm still gonna be in the same clothes, okay? I ain't going to go change. I ain't doing all that. Oh, something bit me. But understand, like, this is going to be a super long video if I sit here and go through every single bag with y'all and then do close-up shots. Like, we ain't gonna get nowhere like this. Like, we're not gonna get anywhere. Moving along. But yeah, this would be a super long video if I go through each individual tree. Yeah, so it is what it is. But y'all will get close-up shots of all this stuff, so that's half the battle, right?